Hey, what's up, guys? How are you doing today? And we got something different. Now, this is literally a Note 1 motherboard. As you can see, I've just taken it out of its pocket. So the problem is that the power button doesn't work on it at all. It clicks when you click it, but it doesn't function. So what's the solution? Well, the solution is we get this power button, which is a physical button, get that replaced or change it. That way, this will fix the problem. So if you got any Samsung Galaxy Note, any version of Note, or any other Samsung phone that the power button doesn't function, the solution for that is to change the internal physical button. That will solve the problem out. Now we're gonna, obviously it's a bit of heck of a job because it's a soldering job. We have to get that removed via soldering and put the new one on, or another one via soldering. It's a bit of work, but as long as we get this phone running, that's all matters. So what I've done is I've tapped it with Kapton tape on around it, just to make sure that the rest of the part doesn't get affected by heat or by soldering gun that we use. So that's very important. Let's get going. So basically what we're trying to do is trying to remove these by giving them a bit of heat. So we make sure we do not, touch or give any sort of heat to other components on the motherboard that will cause any damages. So this is it. We took it out. We're gonna, do further work on it. Right. Once we took it off, what we need to do, we need to apply some flux on it to basically clean these bits. Make sure it's clean and then we get the new one out, or the replacement one. So once we got in, we apply some heat on it to make sure it's set, set properly. And that's it, really. I'm gonna hold it like that. So the most important thing is when you turn it around, you see the legs of the physical button are on the other side. Here you get two holes here, so you need to apply some solder in there, make sure they're completely attached to the so you can see we applied this one, and this is it, guys. You can see it's been done now. This is, you are actually replace the physical home button, the power button on any Samsung Galaxy phone. So guys, thumbs up. Thank you very much for watching. I'm just gonna let it cool open and put this in the phone, and that's it. Job done. Thank you guys.